Hi guys, how are you today? So we are now talking about our Mandarin duck. This is for love, and if you are searching for your partner, or if you are already married or in a relationship, it's the best that you'll be having this Mandarin duck. So you can see that it has a female and a male duck, right? This is color gold and it has lots of colors, and as long as it's real, it's made out of real crystals or real materials like this one. This is going to be a very nice charm for your um, love, most particularly if you're going to manifest positivities for your relationship. Okay, and as you can see, another one here, I have this money tree, and these are made out of the rose quartz. That's why it's color pink. And this love tree can also help us to have abundance, and of course for love, most especially, as what I've said a while ago, if you are manifesting for your relationship and you want to have the positivity for the lifetime relationship you're being together, just have this. Okay, rose quartz are color pink, and you can also find them in your crystals, like if you want to do it in your bracelet, or just simply have this kind of money love tree. Right, this is what we call money love tree. It is focusing on um, overall abundance and prosperity. But since I bought this rose quartz crystals because it's color pink, and most of this could be helping your relationship, and for your self-love and also for your partner. Alright, I hope that you've enjoyed our video for today. I'll be seeing you around.